Hey guys, I hope you like my video. New iPhone 11 release date, price, news and leaks. Apple iPhone 2019 may be all about the camera. There are plenty of iPhone 11 leaks on YouTube and all of them points to a more significant upgrade than last year's rather incremental iPhone XS design. The iPhone 11 could get an in-screen fingerprint scanner that covered the whole screen, plus the iPhone XR 2 could get a camera upgrade with the latest rumors question it will boast a dual lens rear camera setup. That's good news because Apple is not selling as many iPhones as previously forecast, so its next flagship has to wow everyone or come down in price to stay competitive. What does the iPhone 11 needs to improve? Read over in depth. So go to description and read our long article and enjoy our article. So thank you for watching our video. So subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you so much.